What's up, guys? We are back with another project in the city of Richmond here. We have got the downtown buffered bike lanes on 2nd and 3rd Street, Franklin Street to Spring Street. So we got some new bike lanes that they're putting in. It's going to run from Spring Street over here on 2nd Street or 2 Street uh, over to 3rd Street and all the way up to Franklin Street. So um, on Google Maps here, it's going to run from this point here on Spring Street up to Bird Street, over to 3rd Street, and all the way up to Franklin, which I believe already has bike lanes on it, and I'm thinking it'll tie into those. So that's what those green lines are there. So let's get into the plans. So we got cover sheet. This is a Kimley Horn design for the City of Richmond, DPW. Um, Project duration for this one's only 90 days. It's real quick. It's basically just painting lines, um, some details and stuff. Here's the bike lanes on 2nd Street there from Spring to Bird Street. It will turn onto Bird Street here. You got, looks like split on each side of the road there for, I guess that'd be northbound and southbound. And then over here, it's going to be, the bike lanes will be together on the same side of the road. And then same deal when it turns onto 3rd Street here. They will run up 3rd Street all the way up across Canal, Cary, Maine, and all the way to Franklin there. That's the whole project. It's a not a very big one, only 90-day duration. Wouldn't I mean I'm sure there will be some probably road closures and delays due to this, but nothing. I wouldn't think anything major. Um, Should be a quick project, get some new bike lanes for Richmond, and hopefully improve the bike infrastructure a little bit. So thanks y'all for watching. Appreciate it.